So far in this course, everything we've done has used cloud hosting from GitHub and readthedocs.org. While this may work fine in many situations and offers its conveniences, it may not fit your requirements for hosting source code or for controlling the accessibility of the documentation site itself. It's Eric again, and in this module, we'll be having a look at options available to us in these areas and actually setting up an alternative to GitHub and Read the Docs that should provide sufficient guidance to help direct you in most any other combination of options you might choose. We'll start the module by discussing the options available for both source hosting and documentation site hosting. The available options should have something that will meet your needs. Then the rest of the module will be spent specifically setting up the whole process with Visual Studio Team Services, or VSTS. We'll continue to use Git for version control, but when we get away from GitHub and Read the Docs, we'll have to do some extra work to get both builds and deployments set up. We'll be configuring VSTS in the cloud to build the docs on my local machine by using what's called a build agent. Then we'll set up a deployment from VSTS to my local machine as a host for the doc website. We'll also enable CI/CD here just like we had with GitHub and Read the Docs. This flow may not be exactly what you would want to use for your setup, but if you recall what we've already learned about Read the Docs itself, are familiar with the other options we'll discuss here in a sec, and then stay with me while we learn the techniques to set up VSTS, you should have everything you need to know to host source or doc websites wherever it makes sense for you.